The coin lady here, returning to my channel. Testing of automated payments, RL, USD, and most excitingly, a possible major catalyst for XRP. It seems like we're referring to the same issue, just with a slight twist. We are examining the current state of futures and RLDS. In regards to XRP, what has Binance said? Greatly optimistic. Watch the whole thing on this video. Please subscribe and like the video. Then let's go right in. Enter immediately. Thus, XRP is once again on the cusp of a breakout. On this, many people have different opinions. So much is happening that it's impossible to see XRP not exploding, yet many still think nothing will happen. In particular, this portion, not only that, XRP futures may even show us what an XRP ETF would look like. It has been discussed, and we are aware of it. On the sheet, it is clearly indicated to be in. Although XRP futures are certainly being considered, the US government has not yet approved an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF. Anything may happen here. Just so we're clear, Binomial is a CFTC-approved derivatives clearing organization, regulation, and license. I think that's a big deal. Yesterday, we talked about this in relation to NFTs and RLUSD, and we'll go into it a bit later in this video. It will provide investors with trading alternatives and strategies to enter XRP futures fundamentally, which might lead to an ETF. We now know that BlackRock has considered that salon. This might be quite significant because XRP has been brought up. Again, this opens the door for institutional investors, large cross-border payment systems, and regular people to participate in the XRP futures market via BitNo-Meet and a clearing organization certified by the CFTC. This is fantastic news, in my opinion. As I mentioned before, we are clearly enthusiastic about the future of RLUSD and its potential long-term effects. I intend to participate in the stablecoin market by coordinating cross-border payments using RLUSD and XRP. It will be fascinating and, I hope, quite transparent because, as we've spoken about on the channel multiple times, it will be collateralized with short-term treasuries, dollar deposits, and cash equivalents. The lack of transparency regarding the backing of stablecoins is a major issue in my opinion, especially when it comes to USDC and similar projects. So, for instance, what if, during all this change, Ripple's escrow has been purchased US treasuries, dollar deposits, and other cash equivalents? That way, when we introduce RLUSD, they'll have it supported. Additionally, I believe that many individuals are innocent to assume this. People think that Ripple can dump $200 million to keep them afloat for a month, but that's not the case. I mean, seriously? Is it your belief? It will be fascinating to watch how this develops, but I'm starting to think that US treasuries could be visible. I say this because I think the RLUSD is closer than it has ever been. You can see that the 10 quadrillion RLUSD payment is going through as they tested on XRPL. Plus, the most crucial part is that they tested the volume and the capacity of RLUSD to trade on XRPL. In most cases, the active testing indicates that you are almost ready to undertake something. I am personally testing the DAP that will be used for a project that I am launching right now. My bits are in the description, so be sure to click the link. If you would like to be a part of that, you're going to love it. Regarding your test, though, I believe you're getting very near. The time has come for you to launch this product. Now it's time for people to start using it. In my opinion, XRP and the general public are being ignorant about how close we are to the launch of a new stable coin, which is both great news and intriguing in and of itself. When considering the liquidity of XRP, to be sure, there are large concentrations of liquid assets to the north and south. Check out this 60-cent assortment. In a moment, we will examine the technical charts. However, the 60-cent zone is generating a lot of liquidity, which could lead us to push the price up there, once again in line with a better market move. Again, there are a lot of people who are avoiding discussing this. High levels of liquidity, a plethora of amenable to receiving good news. Last but not least, in case you still weren't satisfied, guess what? Coming out here is Binance themselves. Binance has provided us with some XRP trivia. Maybe you're wondering, why? Actually, they are also able to see what's happening. And I believe it's essential to note that we have Binance, 500,000 people following this account, and that we're discussing XRP and its significance. The fact that XRP is the native token of the XRP blockchain is quite intriguing to me. A consensus mechanism known as the XRP ledger is utilized by XRP. On a final note, XRP can be scaled. I think it's great news that XRPL, RL, and USD are all following the same narrative. First and foremost, what's going on with the price? So far, the price has followed the trend of the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Today, Bitcoin took a hit, and many are wondering why. The US government transferred 10,000 Bitcoin. As if it were going out of style, they're throwing that away. The Germans are already doing it, as we have seen. See what transpires. Those financial conditions. But where does XRP stand now? At least it has a respectable range. Fibonacci points us to a level just below 786. Please take notice of this. Nonetheless, we would prefer to see a break above that. Here is what you can see. The 50-day simple moving average is depicted by the pink line, while the 100-day simple moving average is represented by the purple line. The short-term time frame is crossing the longer term, which is a nice, positive, bullish move for anyone who rules or knows charts. The fact that we are in an uptrend indicates a positive development. And we'd like to have the 786 and 60 cent ranges retested, as well as this 59 cent range. Take a look at that liquidity, it's really favorable around the higher range. We see this price point as the primary short-term objective. A breakout over would set our sights on the 63.51 level, slightly higher up there. I believe some genuine positives are on the horizon. Therefore I say it again. Will the debut of RLUSD cause Ripple to become this massive meme coin? Not necessarily, but I do believe it will deliver practical, everyday benefits, to which many people are being naive. I think something even bigger is about to happen, and a lot of people are believing the worst when we look at what's happening. Still, I'm quite interested in hearing what you think, as usual. All of the money is in USD, tell me what you think. It would be fascinating to hear your thoughts on the matter I brought up regarding the escrow unlock and the purchase of US Treasuries. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.